This video is going to show how to use the room property to place components in OrCAD PCB Designer. Rooms can be used to guarantee optimal component placement and prevent issues with signal and power integrity. Room names must first be defined and associated with components in OrCAD Capture. Open the provided design in OrCAD PCB Designer. This design has room names defined and associated already. The room areas must be defined in the board design. Select Shape, Rectangular from the menu. In the Options panel, set the active class and subclass to Board Geometry and Top Room. Click to start drawing the rectangle on the left edge of the board. Click to start drawing another rectangle in the middle of the board, then click again to finish. Click to start drawing the last rectangle on the right edge of the board, then click again to finish. Right-click and select Done. Let's label the room geometry next. Select Add Text from the menu. In the Options panel, set the active class to Board Geometry and the active subclass to Top Room. Set the text block to 6. Select the leftmost room rectangle to attach the text to that room. Click the area just above the rectangle to place the text. Enter Connector for the name and press Enter. Only components in the connector room will be allowed in this area. Select the middle room rectangle and click the area just above the shape. Enter Power for the name and press Enter. Select the rightmost room rectangle and click the area just above the shape. Enter Amplifier for the name and press Enter. Right-click and select Done when finished. Room components can be placed quickly and easily using the Quick Place command. Select Place, Quick Place from the menu. Under Placement Filter, select Place by Room. Here you can define which room to place components from, or use the default setting and place all rooms at once. Click Place. The components are placed into their respective rooms and can be moved from there. Click OK to close the window. Quickly place and group components in their optimal locations and keep distances short using rooms in OrCAD PCB Designer. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.